Dip-Up App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how resale apps have evolved in 2025. Dip-Up promises a marketplace for fashion, unique finds and small sellers, but is it worth using? The surprising truth is community. Most people get this wrong by thinking resale apps are only for buying cheap clothes. Dip-Up fosters a creative, social marketplace where sellers showcase vintage, handmade and brand name items, connecting with buyers who value style and uniqueness. One major advantage is ease of use. You won't believe what happens next when you see Dip-Up allows in-app messaging, secure payments and customizable shop profiles. Sellers can list items quickly with photos, descriptions and pricing, while buyers can follow favorite sellers' research via hashtags. The app also encourages entrepreneurship. Many small creators use Dip-Up to launch side businesses or test fashion ideas. Exposure through social features and the ability to set your own prices gives sellers flexibility and control. However, there are cons. Dip-Up charges fees on sales, and competition can be high for popular items. Shipping responsibility falls on the seller, and buyer disputes may require time to resolve. Trends can change quickly, affecting demand. In conclusion, Dip-Up in 2025 is ideal for fashion-forward buyers and creative sellers seeking a social and unique marketplace. While fees, shipping, and competition are considerations, the combination of community engagement, entrepreneurial opportunity, and ease of use makes Dip-Up a strong choice for anyone interested in resale fashion.